Okay, so we are back. The Bafang mid-drive motor kit. As I said before, this box is huge. I can't get it into the shot. I don't have enough room to. Ah, well, let's just continue, shall we? Oh, okay. So first out the box is the brochure. Blue. This. How does the 73 millimeter bottom bracket work with kit? And they give you details on how it all goes together. What is the gear sensor? Era 30H. What are the Bafang e-brake sensors and how do they work? Okay, so that is something I will have to read before I try to install these parts. Mm. Hmm. Nice. Nice little tool. Okay. You know what? We're just gonna. We're, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set the box on the floor. Mm. All right. Like I said, you get the brochure first. That's on the top. Then you get one tool. That's next. Mm, a bag of hardware. Mm, you get a bag of hardware. Mounting screws, bracket screws, all kinds of screws. Hmm. Let's see what else. Zip ties. They give you zip ties, so that's cool. You might have to fasten something down to keep it from. Oh, the arm. They even include the arm. I'll put that back in. Uh, okay, more zip ties. Are they trying to say something? Can you screw it? No. Can you bolt it? No. But you can zip tie it. Okay. And this is the other arm. So we got the arms for both sides of the crank. I wonder if it's got pedals. Although I could use my old pedals, I'm assuming. Oh, styrofoam. Set that. Wait, are these gloves? Yeah, they. Uh, I feel bad now. Okay, white gloves. There's a a pair of white gloves in the box. Mm. Ooh. The gear. How sweet. And the guard. Mm. They put everything in here but the frame and the wheels. Man, there's a lot of stuff in this box. I'm running out of room. See, I don't want to move it too far because the way they packed everything, I want to put it back the same way. What is this? This looks like some type of light. Holy crap. It's a tool. Mm. That's part of the system, the motorized system. Cables. I have to say, most of this stuff I have. Yeah, I don't know what some of this stuff is. That's the chain crank. I know. The teeth. That's the guard. The basic stuff I recognize. More cables. Ooh. All right. Mm. Huh. Ooh. Got some weight to it. Let's see if I can. If I can move my camera back so. Hmm. The Bafang mid-drive motor. Of course, to the left side of the screen is the bicycle part, and the right side of the screen is the actual motor. Okay. Oh, they put Bafang on. Wait a minute, is that glued? Oh wow, that's crazy. Upon further inspection, a little styrofoam don't hurt nobody. Oh, let's see. Was there anything else in here? Hmm. I don't think so. Well, there was one little small box. Uh oh. for the edge. It'll be alright, right? Hmm. Uh, More cable. It's another cable piece. I have no idea what that goes to. But it is good that they put instructions in the box. Because washers. I got a bag of washers. So, this huge assortment of parts is going to go on my 27-inch bike. Out of all the bikes I've had, only one other bike captured my heart the way this one does, and that would have to be my 26-inch fat bike, which I no longer have because it was stolen. Uh, Great bike riding in the wintertime. Man, I rode through snow, I rode through flooded areas, I rode up the side of a hill. I've done some of everything on that bike. Man, I thought about getting a really powerful e motor mid drive and put on there. Man, that would have been nice. Well, maybe one day I'll buy me another fat bike and motorize that one too. Yeah, I've got ideas. So anyway, that's the end of this unboxing. I'm going to very deliberately put everything back in the box as it came out so that I can close the box. And the first chance I get, I will start installing these components. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.